Alright guys, I just untaped the spoiler. Take a peek. Straight out the can. And then a little design of how I taped it off on the back. And I cut in and I blacked out the grills, and then I'm going to tape it up, so I'll follow this curve when I repaint the red around it. Still got to do the lip, and I got to start on the hood. Started cutting in the hood. You'll see. I got to start to get the edges of the hood, and I got the heat gun ready so I can get all that off. And we're getting there. See, there's some touch-ups I gotta do here, and then I gotta get a little part where I got overspray from the roller spray, I guess you would call it. Alright guys, here's the mineral spirits I'm using. I'm gonna mix up enough for the hood. You can see how thick it is. See how thick it is? It's almost chunky, unthinned. So what I do is pour a little bit in, just kind of eyeball it, and then mix it real good. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. So mix it real good. You don't want to shake it, you don't want to get bubbles in it, but just mix it to start, I should say. And then you do the drip method. You let it run until it starts dripping. It could be a little thinner. I try to get around 4 or 5 seconds. It's not a perfect science, but it's been working good for me. There we go, that looks pretty good. Mix it up good. So dip it in, get some on it. Drip, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4, and then we're almost at drip, so it's roughly good. Pour it in. We're gonna get our Mr. Rui roller. We got 3 left. Yeah, we're videoing.
Why did that tape come?
get this little spot here. Yeah, see all that? And then turn it a little and go like that way. Yeah, lightly. That's it, good. Smile. Love it. All right, guys, time to spray some black on the top faces of the splitter now. Taped off the part that I'm gonna leave red. Use our gloss black. Let's get to painting.